Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're fed up with tiny phone screens ruining your movie nights, heavy projectors that are a hassle to set up, or audio that's just meh and kills the excitement, then you're in for a treat today. We're reviewing the TMY mini movie projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This portable gem supports 1080p Full HD, has pre-built apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube for instant streaming, Wi-Fi 6 for smooth mirroring from your phone, two-way Bluetooth 5.2 for killer audio options, multiple ports like HDMI and USB, and it's super compact for indoor, outdoor, camping, or gaming fun. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description to grab it. Trust me, if you want easy, big screen entertainment that's portable and ready to go right out of the box, this is the upgrade your setup needs. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the TMY mini movie projector. It's really small and lightweight, easy to carry anywhere or set up in seconds. It supports 1080p Full HD with an upgraded LED light source that's 50% brighter for clearer, more vibrant pictures even if the room isn't pitch black. The pre-installed apps mean you connect to Wi-Fi and start watching Netflix, Prime Video, or YouTube without any extra devices or complicated side loading. Wi-Fi 6 gives you fast, buffer-free screen mirroring from your smartphone or tablet, and two-way Bluetooth lets you pair external speakers for better sound, or even use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker. It has HDMI for laptops or consoles, USB for direct playback, and a built-in speaker that's decent for casual use. Setup is simple. Plug it in, connect your source, adjust the focus, and you're good to go. No battery, so it needs power, but it stays fairly cool with its built-in system. Priced affordably, often with deals around the budget range, it's great value for what it delivers. Now, pros and cons to keep things honest. The pros are standout. Super portable and compact for travel or anywhere use. Instant access to streaming apps with no hassle. Sharp 1080p supported visuals that look impressive for the price. Fast Wi-Fi 6 mirroring and two-way Bluetooth for flexible audio. Versatile connections for all your devices, easy setup, and excellent bang for your buck. Users love how quick it is to start watching, the picture quality in darker rooms, and how it turns any spot into a home theatre. On the con side, brightness is good indoors but struggles in bright or sunny rooms. No built-in battery, so you're plugged in for longer sessions. Built-in speakers are okay but better with external ones for bigger sound. And fan noise can be noticeable in quiet scenes for some users. A few mention occasional Wi-Fi pairing tweaks needed at first, but overall, the pros win big for casual, portable entertainment. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely grab the TMY mini movie projector if portability, instant streaming, and simple big screen fun fit your needs. It's perfect for movie nights, camping trips, gaming, or small spaces where you want theatre vibes without the hassle. If these gear reviews are helping you level up your setup, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs movie night magic, or subscribe for more. See you next time.